Hello guys, I hope you are having a wonderful day. So today someone I know gave me cash to make a gaming PC. Total budget is $400, so we have to go for a used PC here. Only GPU will be bought new. This system will be able to play any game as of 2020 and even in future. I'll be back when I'm at the shop. So I am in used parts shop where computers from all over city and even other cities are stripped of parts and then built into other systems. Even the used computer shops who sell used systems buy computers from these guys. So if you guys can buy your PC from places like these, you will get really good prices. So for CPU, we are going for Intel i5 3rd generation that comes with Intel basic motherboard. A good combo for low budget systems. RAM will be 16 GB. Again used, make sure it's exactly same RAM from same manufacturer and same model, otherwise you will get into system crashes. For power supply, right now I am buying a used one, but I will strongly recommend to buy a new power supply whenever possible. Keep in mind power supply powers your entire system, and if there is even a small issue in it, it can lead to system crashes to hardware failures. But right now as we are on very low budget, so we are going for used one. I have informed them in advance that whenever possible, buy a new power supply in future when they have the cash, and then they can use it for 15 plus years. Also make sure to buy 80 plus rated power supply. If it doesn't have 80 plus rating, then stay away from it. So graphics card has arrived, let's open it. The reason I am buying a new GPU is because lots of graphics cards are used in mining. And because of that reason, I would recommend to buy new ones unless you can somehow confirm the person using it only played games on it. Mining pushes graphics cards to extreme limits, which results in very short lifespan. No external power connector here, I thought it had one. 2 HDMI and 1 DisplayPort, owner's manual and driver's disk. And that's pretty much it. Download fresh drivers from the media website. Don't use the one on disk. I would like to inform you here, right now it's August 2020 as I am recording this. And if you guys can wait, then wait till December 2020. By that time we should have new GPUs from Nvidia called GeForce 3000 series and AMD called Radeon 6000 series, which will include variety of GPUs. A replacement of my GPU I just unboxed will be called a GeForce 3050 or Radeon 6500 from AMD side. Both will provide double the speed of current generation cards. This will give you faster GPUs at exactly same price. Let's calculate the total cost here. I bought CPU and motherboard combo plus 4 sticks of 16 GB RAM in total plus 500 GB hard drive plus PC case plus power supply 460 watt 80 plus rated. All of these were used, and we finally added a GeForce 1654 GB graphics card from Gigabyte brand new. Total cost of the system was $380. It can run any game available, with light games like Fortnite on high settings and heavy games like Tomb Raider on medium and high settings. The heaviest game I know in 2020 so far is Red Dead Redemption 2, and it will give smooth 60 FPS on 1080p using medium settings. Now I will test some light and heavy games and give you guys results once I am done, all in high settings to really push this system. GTA 5 in 1080p gave me on average 70 FPS in single player, and it was in ultra settings. Battlefield 5 gave me 50 FPS average in 1080p ultra settings. Witcher 3 gave me about 46 FPS average in ultra settings 1080p. Far Cry New Dawn gave me about 45 FPS average on ultra settings 1080p. Let me be clear here, all games were tested on ultra settings. You don't need to go that high. Take down settings to high or medium or mix of these, and you can play any game on smooth 60 FPS. Like this video if it helped, subscribe because more useful videos about cars, bikes, electronics, computers and tech are coming. I will see you guys again.